I like that better. Hey y'all, it's your girl Skyla Star here with another video, and I'm back with a Shein headband wig unpackaging. I ordered this the other day. I don't know what day I ordered it, but I ordered it and it came February 26th by UPS. So yeah, it did come quick ship or whatever, so that's a plus. I don't know what their wigs, they do ship it with quick ship. We're gonna do an unpackaging. It came in this little poly mailer or whatever. I did open it to make sure that it was the right size in here or the right length in here, and it was what it was supposed to be, and everything else. I didn't like really unravel it, take it out the net or anything like that. I didn't do anything. So let's get into it. It came with one of these leopard headband wigs. I don't know why they always send leopard. Like, y'all don't got solid colors? Because this is the second leopard headband wig that I got that I'm never going to wear. So it came with that. It also came with high quality 2-pack wig caps. So it came with that. I'm never going to wear this as well. And it came with the headband wig. So I got a 14-inch, and it is like a curly headband wig because y'all know I like curly hair and everything else. And because it's about to be spring, summertime, and it's getting a little fake nice here in New York City, I don't want to be wearing hats, even though I probably put a hat on with it anyway. But I did get some headbands too. So it comes with this little netty thing around it. I am going to wash it and condition it. Y'all know how I do with all my wigs because I have sensitive scalp, I guess. So this is how it came. So let's take it out of the little netty thing. And I do try to keep these net things to put the wig in as storage when I'm not wearing it. I do have a mannequin head at home, but she's occupying the straight headband wig that I have, or the whatever one I got. But this is how she looks. Is this really 14 inches? I don't know, but I gotta take the measuring tape to figure it out. But I do like that it's not that long, because I was expecting it to be longer than this. But it is soft, fresh out of the pack. It has the headband, right? It comes with some tissue paper on the inside. We're gonna take that out. And it comes with comb. So it's a comb right here, and it's a comb in the back. There aren't combs on the side, so it's a comb in the front, like in the middle, and it's a comb in the back. I don't use those either. And it do have the adjustable straps right here in the back. I don't use those either. I basically use this when I do my headband wigs, or when I do headband wigs, I just basically use the headband strap. So I do like this. It is soft, but like I said, I am going to wash it and everything. I can like rake my fingers through it. It is getting some tangles, but it's curly hair, so to me that's like natural. Normally it's gonna happen, but it is soft to the touch. I did get like one strand of shedding, but for the most part, I'm not mad at it. For the price that I pay, I'm not mad at it. It does have like a slight smell to it. That's why I don't put wigs on straight out of the pack, no. But the inside has like an odor too. This don't give 14 inches, but we're gonna see. We're gonna measure it and see if it is 14 inches. But if it's not, I'm not even mad at it because I really wanted a short curly wig. So yeah, I got that, right? And to go with it, because it is a curly wig, so I wanted to basically be able to cover this headband piece when I put it on, because it do have like this thick piece right here. So I wanted to be able to wet it up and then like flip it from side to side if I wanted to do that. I went on the Amazon, right? And I ordered some different headbands. And to go around it, these are also the headbands that you can use for like your bags. So I got, I think, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got 6. So it came with this like cream one, cream and goldish one. I could throw one with anything. It came on with this blackened, like gold bronzy one. I could wear with anything. It came with this one. I could basically wear this when I wear like blue. Came with this red one. I could wear this when I wear like my Birkin bag and stuff like that. I believe this is either black or blue stripes. I'm not sure, but it got that one. And then it came with this one. And I could rock this when I wear my Kurt Geiger bag because it has basically a lot of these colors in it. So when I want to look colorful and bright, I could put on this one. And I'm just basically going to wrap it around the headband wig and tie it. What I do is put the wig cap on, I will tighten this as tight as I possibly can, and then I will wrap one of these around it to give this part like some razzle dazzle. So I will basically tuck this part down and then wrap this one around it to cover basically this piece right here. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna wash it and curl it up with my curly stuff that I use and see how that gets it. I am going to condition it. I'm going to let it sit in my conditioner